We are from Unity Charter School in Morristown. We are excited to show you our solar car.
We are the cold wheels.
Our gear ratio was 10 to 50. It goes much faster because the 10 teeth, which are attached to the motor, will make it go faster than if the 50 gear was there. That's why we put the 10 gear attached to the motor instead of the 50.
It is powered by only the sun. The solar panel makes it possible for the energy from the sun to be converted from electricity, which makes the car operate.
Solar energy is really important because it creates no waste. Other ways of getting energy can create waste, but by using solar energy, it won't create as much of an impact on the environment.
We started by constructing the base of the car. We added a piece of wood at the front so the solar panel doesn't slide off. We also included a piece of wood taller than the one in front in the back. We did this to make it slanted to get the best possible angle for the sun.
We wanted to keep the car as light as possible so it could reach the greatest possible speed. We then added the motor, wheels, and gears. After that, we decorated the car so it wouldn't be boring and could have more flavor and delicacy.